Good day, everyone. How are you today? Today we have a new topic. It is all about operation on functions. The lesson objective. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of functions, and function composition. So what is operations on functions? It refers to the rule of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. Let's have the sum, difference, product, and quotient of functions. So let f and g be functions. So for the sum, we have f plus g. We have f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Then for the difference, we have f minus g. So we have f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. For the product, so we have f times g. So this is equal to f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. For the quotient, we have f over g. So we have f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x, of course, is not equal to 0. Let's have examples. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 4. Find letter A, f plus g of x. B, f minus g of x. Letter C, f times g of x. And letter D, f over g of x. So for letter A, we have f plus g of x. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So what is the given for g of x, f of x? So we have here 3x plus 2. How about for g of x? So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4. Therefore, f of x is 3x plus 2 plus g of x is x squared plus 3x minus 4. Then, so this is addition, so no need to change the sign of this function, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Therefore, we have 3x plus 2 plus x squared plus 3x minus 4. Then, combine like terms. So what will be the result? Yes, this is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2. So we have here x squared, then 3x plus 3x, of course we have 6x, then positive 2 minus 4, so we have here negative 2. Therefore, f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2. Okay, for letter B, we're going to find f minus g of x. Okay, next, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So the value of our f of x here is 3x plus 2, and g of x here again is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 4. So next, what will we do? Go substitute. So f of x here is 3x plus 2. Okay, this one, 3x plus 2 minus g of x. So g of x here is, yes, x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, so next, what will we do? Okay, so simplify. So 3x plus 2. here minus, so this is a subtraction. We are going to distribute the sign here on the second functions. So we have negative times x squared, so we have negative x squared. The negative times 3x, so we have negative 3x. Then negative times negative 4, of course positive 4. Okay, next is simplify. So the answer is negative x squared plus 6. So here the first term is negative x squared. Then next 3x minus 3x here is 0. Then 2, positive 2 plus positive 4, 6. Therefore the answer here is negative x squared plus 6. Next, letter C, we are going to find f times g of x. So f times g of x, this is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay, so same given, f of x is 3x plus 2 and g of x is x squared plus 3x minus 4 here, the given. Okay, then simplify. So what will be the result? Okay, so 3x, how will we simplify this one? So 3x times x squared is equal to 3x squared. Then the first term 3x times 3x, so we have here 9x squared. Then 3x again to third term times negative 4, so we have negative x, negative 12x. Okay, then the second term of 3x plus 2, we have 2 times x squared. So the first term of x squared plus 3x minus 4, so we have plus x squared. Then 2 times 3x, so we have here positive 6x. Then 2 times this one, negative 4, we have here negative 8. Then simplify, what will be the result? Okay, so we got 3x cubed plus 11x squared minus 6x minus 8. So how will you get this one? So here combine like terms. So the 3x squared, then 9x squared plus 2x squared, we have 11x squared. Then negative 12x plus 6x, of course, negative 6x. Then here the constant, we have negative 8. Therefore the answer is 3x cubed plus 11x squared minus 6x minus 8. Okay? Okay, for letter D, f over g of x. So f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So again, the value of f of x here is 3x plus 2 and g of x is x squared plus 3x minus 4. So therefore 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 3x minus 4. So x squared plus 3x minus 4 can be factored out as x plus 4 and x minus 1. So this will be the answer, where x, of course, is not equal to 1 and negative 4. So why is it that x is not equal to 1? So if we're going to use 1 as x for this function, so in the denominator x minus 1, if x is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 times x plus 4 is 0, and any number or function divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, and negative 4, so negative 4 plus 4 is 0, times x minus 1 is 0. So the function becomes undefined if x is negative 4. Therefore, the domain of this function, all real numbers except 1 and negative 4. Okay? Next is composition of functions. So given the functions f and g, the composition of f and g, denoted by f composed of g, is defined by the equation f composed of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So where f of g of x is read as, okay, we have f of g of x. So it means that whatever there is an x in the function f, it is replaced with the function g of x. So the domain of f composed of g is the set of all x such that, so number 1 here is x is in the domain of g, and of course g of x is in the domain of f. Okay, let's have examples. Given f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find letter A, f composed of g of x, letter B, g composed of f of x. So for letter A, we have f composed of g of x. So this is equal to f of g of x. So next, we are going to write the f of x, the function f, okay? So that is equal to 3x minus 5 here. 3x minus 5. Then, variable x here, substitute with the function g of x. So we have here 3 times the quantity of g of x minus 5. So what is g of x? Okay, so we have 2x minus 3. Okay, so we have here 3 times the quantity of 2x minus 3 minus 5. Okay, then simplify. So 3 times 2x, we have 6x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 minus 5. Then combine like terms. Therefore, f composed of g of x is equal to 6x minus 14, because negative 9 minus 5 is negative 14. Okay, so this is the final answer, 6x minus 14. For letter B, we are going to get g composed of f of x. So this is equal to g of f of x. Then we are going to write first g of x function, that is equal to 2x minus 3. So our given here is g of x is 2x minus 3. Okay, then you are going to substitute f of x to variable x here. So x becomes f of x. Okay, then yes, f of x is equal to here 3x minus 5. Therefore 3x minus 5 here. So we have here 2 times the quantity of 3x minus 5 minus 3. Then simplify. So 2 times 3x, we have 6x. Then 2 times negative 5, we have negative 10 minus 3. Then combine like terms, so we get 6x minus 13. So negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13. Therefore, g composed of f of x is equal to 6x minus 13. Okay? Okay, here are the references of this video lesson. Okay, thank you and God bless everyone.